Somebody else,
this is the preacher. One Yazarandi. You know, support our women in business.
I don't yeah, I don't know my Lord. That you, I don't know Yazarandi.
You don't Dinyasa orange.
Oh, we never know.
Masquera say, Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanagarge tanga kukuya no channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takigirai, nyaya kupisa nyaya kunetsa nyaya ya Buddha ishtaurwa na Tatenda Mavetera. Uya Buddha achiresponda to video rakaenda viral re vakadzi varikunzi the young women for ED wakabuda ku the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair vachitamba a dance ya trenda shinzi they were not dancing very appropriate nyaya kabudiswa na wapo chingono na fadza emaere achiblaster young women for ED shinzi they are tarnishing the image ye ZANU-PF muri Zimbabwe nyaya kabudiswa ne aya Harare vachitaura ivo vachiti ICT Minister Tatenda Mavetera responds to viral bump shaking dance video. Minister of Information, Communication, Technology and Career Services, Tatenda Mavetera, has responded to claims that she appears in a viral video showing a sensual Congonia dance at the recently held Zimbabwe International Trade Fair. In the clip, a woman wearing a black formal outfit gets down on her hands and knees in the middle of a cheering crowd. She is soon joined by another woman wearing a dress made from the national fabric. Together, they wiggle their hips to Sekuru Gudo's song Weru, while crowd encourages them. The video was shared by The video was shared on X by journalist Opo Chingono, who criticized Mavetera, accusing her of behaving in a way unbefitting of a government minister. He compared the incident to the dignity of Zimbabwe's first tourism minister, Victoria Chitepo, suggesting she would be shamed. Opo Chingono wrote, Zimbabwe First Minister of Tourism was Victoria Chitepo. I wonder what she would make of today's Zimbabwean Minister of ICT, Tatenda Mavetera, presiding over these shameful acts by groups like Young Women for ED from Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF's Women in Business at the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair. Mnangagwa has taken Zimbabwe into the sewer. It cannot get worse than this. Responding to the comments, Mr. Mavetera denied that she was in the video. She said the footage did not show members of Young Women for ED, the group she leads, and accused Chingono of spreading fake news. She fires back. Point of correction, please note that I only preside over Young Women for ED, which is not captured in the video of your reference. Why is my name Mavetera in a tweet? You always say you are trained to verify these things before posting. We do not expect your caliber of pushing fake news and false narratives. Ndo mabuditiro wakati kwa nyai na Tatenda Mavetera muri Zimbabwe tsingaziye kuti mwana si nyai iyi parezo ndangu kusiyai mchinzwa video ili mushona video mwa madza za kufunga mu comment section.
Somebody else,
this is the preacher. One Yazarandi. You know, support our women in business.
yeah, I don't know my Lord. That you, I don't know Yazarandi.
You don't Dinyasa orange.
Oh, we never